Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to read a Wealthfront portfolio. Wealthfront is a popular robo-advisor that offers low-cost and diversified investment portfolios. To get the most out of your Wealthfront account, it is essential to understand how to read and interpret your portfolio. First step is to log into your Wealthfront account and navigate to the portfolio section. Here you will see an overview of your portfolio, including the total value, return, and allocation. The allocation section shows the distribution of your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Next step is to understand the different sections of your portfolio. The portfolio is divided into several sections, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Each section provides detailed information about the specific investments held in that category, including the investment name, value, and percentage of the total portfolio. To dive deeper into your portfolio, click on each section to view the individual investments. For example, in the stocks section, you will see a list of the individual stocks held in your portfolio, along with their respective values and weights. You can also view the geographical diversification of your stock holdings, including the percentage of domestic versus international stocks. Another important aspect of your Wealthfront portfolio is the tax loss harvesting section. Wealthfront offers a tax loss harvesting feature that helps to minimize taxes by selling losing investments and using the losses to offset gains from other investments. This section shows the total tax loss harvested and the estimated tax savings. Best practice is to review your portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can also use the Wealthfront portfolio to identify areas for tax optimization and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, reading a Wealthfront portfolio requires a basic understanding of investing concepts and the ability to navigate the online platform. By following these steps and understanding the different sections of your portfolio, you can make informed decisions about your investments and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals.